When your landscape drawing is complete, you of course will want to print, and commonly you would print to a fixed scale. I'm looking here at a layout sheet, and I've left the frame of the floating viewport just sort of grey colour so we can see it, and we can see here it's a fixed scale of 50, and I'll turn on and lock it so it cannot be altered. So this is sitting in a floating viewport, and we want to print, let's say we want to print high quality PDF at high resolution, and we can say File and Print. The next step is to select your PDF printer, and I have a number of them here. Probably my favorite is Qt PDF Writer. I then pick my sheet size, which in this case is A2. It's a landscape, so I'm making these choices. I'd also go to Properties and go to Advanced and to Print Quality, and I think 2400 we will try on an A2 sheet. That should give us extraordinary high resolution, and we say OK. Now at this stage, do a double check. Size is A2, we're going to the Qt PDF Writer, and we can say OK. Now at this scale we want to print to 1 to 50. Now we've already set 1 to 50 on the layout sheet, so what we want to do now is print 1 equals 1. So we take off Fit to Paper, and we've already got 1 to 0.98, but we can change that. Now we have precisely, when we print this onto an A2 sheet at our copy center, we'll have an accurately scaled drawing. Don't forget you've still got the scale bar, which is also accurate and full size in there, but your users might want to get a scale ruler and take off some distances. You can always send them a copy of, or get them to install a copy of GCAD Plus, and they can check for themselves with the distance command. I'd also make sure you center the print. So here we go, away we go. Now the PDF file will be created, and we'll just put this one on the desktop, not the OneDrive desktop, but my own desktop, and we'll call it here GCAD Plus Drawing. So we need to be patient. Go away and do something else, have a cup of coffee at this stage. Well, I'll start another copy of my browser and I'll look at the desktop. This PC desktop, and here we are. And we can now open it with Adobe Acrobat. And let's do that. And there we are, a high resolution. Let's just go into View and we'll click our zoom marquee, and let's just zoom in on some of the area here, and we should get very, very crisp and excellent printing. The symbols look great. If you wanted to increase the thickness, which I don't think you would in this case, you can just do another print and change your default print settings. So that's how to print this sheet precisely 1 to 50 in this instance on an A2 sheet.